Hey guys, it's Chris, and today I have a quick breakdown of my iPhone 15 Pro Max filmmaking rig for all the social content that I create. This is my super useful high-tech iPhone 15 filmmaking rig. I have a bunch of attachments that I spent time researching and buying. So if you like what you see here, please leave a like, comment, and share. I'm currently the social media manager and content creator for SneakerCon, which is one of the greatest and largest sneaker conventions in the world for buying, selling, and trading. I create all of their social content on my iPhone. So this will be a quick breakdown of the tech that I use. This video is not sponsored at all, but I will have everything linked down below. So if you want to purchase anything, let's start off straight at the bottom. So at the bottom, I have a DJI tabletop tripod. I got this tabletop tripod when I bought a DJI phone gimbal. I don't actually use the gimbal. The gimbal was an utter complete waste of money, but this tripod was the best thing that I got with it. This is the base. It holds up the rig. So when I want to stand it up, it's perfect, gets the job done. Or if I ever want to hold it at the bottom, it's perfect. I can do single hand or I can do both hands. Just a nice pivot. It works really well. It's super sturdy and it keeps the camera up when it's not in use, or if I'm going to do like a tabletop type of video work. Next, we have the most important piece of this rig. We have the Smallrig universal phone mount and this nice aluminum gray color. It's universal because all you need to do is just put your phone right in here and then you use the back to tighten it up. So it pretty much fits any phone. So as you can see, I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max in there and it still has space for bigger and larger phones. So it works perfectly. The aluminum cage also provides drop protection. So if you want to have your phone in here with no case, it'll be perfectly fine because if you drop it, it won't touch the phone at all whatsoever. And the phone is tightened in there with this knob. It's pretty much good for every dropping occasion. This rig is $40 from Smallrig on Amazon. It's also linked below if you would like to purchase it. I think the best part of this universal camera cage that you can mount it vertically or horizontally to pretty much any tripod, any legs, any swivel, any slider, anything. It has mounting points on every single side, top, bottom, left, right. You can mount things all over, which gets me into the next tool. Next, I have the Smallrig mini hand grip handles. I have one on the left, one on the right. These handles are highly adjustable to fit a different cage height and support the quick switch from left to right hand. I have two, one for each hand, but I could have only bought one. I could have had one on the left, have it on the right. It's easy. They work with both hands, but I have two to get a nice structured look and a nice structured feel. These Smallrig handles are made of aluminum alloy plastic. The Smallrig handle 2916 supports additional mounting options, but it does come at additional cost. If you look on my right handle, I do have a Smallrig attachment so I can mount things to the handle exactly. Before I move into the next attachment, I just wanted to let y'all know that these handles are $30 each. So the cage is $40, left handle $30, right handle $30. And now getting into the next attachment, we have the Smallrig cold shoe mount adapter, and this is an additional $10, but it does come with two. As you can see, I have one right here on my right handle, but the left one doesn't have one on. I have it on something else right now, and I just didn't want to put it on for the video. But I don't actually use it on the left, just on the right. This Smallrig cold shoe adapter allows you to attach a light, a microphone, pretty much anything that has a cold shoe, you can just pop it right on. Moving on to the next thing, I have one of the most important things and part of this rig for audio. I have the DJI mics. The DJI mic plugs directly into the USB-C port on my phone. I have it just right in there, and then it connects to the mic wirelessly, which I have on top of the cage using the nice mounting point that the cage provides. I just slide the microphone right in there. I keep the DJI plug into my phone, and now I have quality audio. I can take the mic, keep it on the cage, or I can take the mic, I can clip it onto my shirt. I can also use the magnet, so I can put the mic underneath my shirt and then put the magnet on the outside. I can also just clip it onto my pocket, clip it onto the side, There's so many things I can do with this mic. The good news for y'all, if you're looking to buy this mic, it is currently on sale for $329. I know when it came out, I think it was 400 or 400 plus, but now it's steady at 329, and you may even be able to find it on sale somewhere. But once again, this is linked down below. The DJI Mic is amazing. It has all-in-one storage and it's always ready to use. This all-in-one design makes it ultra portable and accessible. Get 2 transmitters and a receiver, and they're all pre-linked and charged securely in the charging case. The mics have a max transmission of a range of 250 meters, which is 820 feet, which means you can have it plugged into your phone and your phone can be 800 feet away and the mics will still sound crispy and perfect. It works best in open, unobscured environments, but the DJI is ideal for a lot of scenarios like live streaming, vlogging, outdoor recording, and creating social content like I do. One of my favorite parts is the 15-hour battery. You can enjoy 5.5 hours of battery life from the transmitters, 5 hours from the receiver, and up to 15 just by popping all the devices back in the charging case. You can spend less time worrying about battery and more time getting the perfect shot with the perfect audio. We also have a really cool magnetic attachment like I was talking about earlier, so you can have discrete, hideable, and suitable audio at all times. You can easily attach the DJI mic to clothing or other objects for flexible and convenient use in any environment. Next, which is something that many wireless mics don't have, is an OLED touchscreen. The receiver has a built-in 0.95-inch OLED touchscreen for intuitive control of the transmitter options, along with access to brightness, volume, and battery level information. Last but not least, each mic has 14-hour recording. We have 8 gigs of internal storage that can handle up to 14 hours of 48 Hz, 24-bit audio without compression. It can record separately and output audio files quickly to a computer using just a simple USB-C data cable. The DJI mics are my favorite mics. I do also have the Rode Wireless Go mics, but to attach the Rode Wireless Go mics to your iPhone, you need a lot more attachments. This is just right in, you pop it in, and you're good to go. Can't complain with that. But going back to the handles, I have the Lume Cube attached. I actually don't use the Lume Cube in terms of lighting with this rig because I mostly record inside, but I do have the Lume Cube on me at all times just in case I'm recording at night or in a dark situation. The Lume Cube is for $88 right now on Amazon, and it's also linked down below. Getting into the Lume Cube quickly, we have adjustable brightness control. We have 10 levels of brightness using manual controls or wirelessly through Bluetooth. The light is extremely bright, by the way. The Lume Cube is pretty expensive, so if you do want a cheaper alternative, I do have this Ulanzi light. I had this light since 2021 and it cost $30, also linked down below, and it's great. It's nice, it's compact, it's cheap, and it's lasted very, very long. It still works. Like, look at this. This is a $30 light that I've had for multiple years. A little bit of scratches, a little bit of dents, but it's great, it's cheap, and you can just buy this, use it whenever you like, and with no fear of damage or cracks because the price is so low. Unlike this Lume Cube, it's a $100 light. You're like, well, let me keep this pristine. Let me not use this in all the working conditions that I would because I don't want to damage it. But this is a nice cheaper alternative. You can just pop this off and pop this one on, and you can get going with any problems. Look at that. Swapping this out. Still looks good. Still works. Boom. It's also lighter than the Lume Cube, so do with that information what you will. So this was really quick. This was my setup. I just get in the spot, record like this, record like this. It may look silly, but it gets the job done. Nice crispy 4K Apple ProRes RAW. Can't complain. Like, look at that. Oh, taking a break, put it down, get back to work. We in here, hold it like this, hold it like this, hold it like this. Like, you have so many combinations. You can even do it like that, put it down. This is my rig. Any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know down below. I'm here to answer all your questions. Let me know if you want some more iPhone videos. I could probably do one on storage if I wanted to not use a mic and record directly to a storage device. Let me know if you want a video on that. But this is my rig. It actually works very well, and I do use this rig. I'm not lying to y'all. This is what I actually use. I have all of these products for a reason. If you go to SneakerCon on Instagram, the videos that are posted that are not collabs from other people are videos that I've created on my iPhone. This is the rig that I use to do that. So if it's great, if it's good enough for a 3.6 million Instagram account, I think it's great enough for you. But my name is CClaxton. I just checked in and showed y'all my very useful iPhone 15 Pro Max filmmaking rig. Check in with me, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at somethinglightmedia. These videos are for y'all, so let me know what you want to see next. I create videos on a lot of pop culture. I got the iPhone stuff coming. I do a lot of sneaker reviews. I do photography, celebrity events. So just let me know what you want to see next in the comments below. And once again, like I said, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It's a small step for you, but it goes a big way for me. I'm on the road to 10,000 subscribers, so please help me out. Thank you for watching.